Alright, you've all seen my countertop. Well, I don't know if you all have because my page has actually been growing faster than I can count. But I want to talk about my countertop. This is a $20,000 countertop. No question about it. And if you're looking at this video for the first time, you're seeing imperfections. Like this right here. That is the ridges in a cardboard box. I'm going to tell you what epoxy companies are not telling you. You look over here. This thing right here, I did not realize could do so much damage to a countertop, an epoxy countertop that's so-called heat resistant and scratch resistant. A normal cup of coffee sat on this countertop will actually leave indentations of the cup. Not even 5 minutes of a cup sitting there. You see the ring? It's really hard to get a picture because it's still really super shiny. I mean, this countertop is still beautiful. But seriously, I've got thousands of hours in this countertop. Not hundreds, easily thousands. This black walnut tree I cut down myself. I milled it myself. I did this completely from scratch. Dried it. Everything. But anyway, the product I bought, this is why I bought it. I researched this company, and this is why I bought it. Fully cured, 7-day cure time. Can take up to 30 days before reaching maximum durability, heat and scratch resistant. I don't know what they consider scratch resistant, because that's horseshit. It is anything but scratch resistant. One of the other reasons I bought this product was because they said it's renewable. See those scratches? It is renewable. But do you want to run a torch on your countertop every single week of your life? Do you want to have to babysit it? Do you want a coaster for your coffee mug to sit on your countertop? I have a company sending me something that I believe is the solution. This epoxy company, I've been asking all kinds of questions to, and they've got this new product that's a 2-part top coat. And I am getting it shipped to me, and I'm going to be trying it out soon. So I hope you all that have these same questions are getting some useful information right now.